Is that good for your neck?
Ride the Bronco.
Other hand, you win.
Are you doing a video?
Mm-hmm. That can't be good for his neck.
He's getting a workout. It is humid, isn't it, Devil? Are you already feeling sweaty?
You're like glowing.
Me?
Yeah, it's weird. No, your shirt. Your
Oh.
forehead.
Like, let's see. How about a horsey?
He's got his feet back.
Dun, 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 dun. Devil, are you riding a horsey?